one doubt is there. Yes, I will. Devashish ji, don't worry about that. Whether it will take 1 week or 2 week or 3 week, I have the patience. But it is up to you. You have the patience or not. But trust me, I will try to cover maximize the things basically, because these are the new technologies, and in a one day or in a nutshell you cannot. I am free. I am firm believe that it is not a rocket science or injection. It just I will inject you and you will learn everything, each and everything. Okay. I have 20 years experience. Still, I believe I am a learner basically. Okay. IOP and IoT I have already discussed. Internet of peoples are Internet of peoples. We humans are communicating, and in case of Internet of things, all the things will communicate, and we are going to build up. And at present and at present at present what we have, we are going to build up one ecosystem in which your IOP and IoT both will be there. That means ecosystem will be equals to IoT plus IOP. What we have discussed, what basically a difference between the humans and this one. The answer was the curiosity. We humans are the curious one. The two things I have already told. We humans are the curious one. We want to make our life better and better always. And okay, we want to make our life better and better. And technology, regarding the technology always demand what next. These two factors always remember. And this is the basic thing about the renovation. And I have discussed what basically one basic question was, okay, do you have the mobile phone or which mobile phone? Answer was the smart definition means we have the connective. Some smart means it is not like a appearance. Smart means it is a connected, some form of connected. And not be a judgmental, okay, every time you say okay, it is connected, it should be connected to internet. No, it is not like that. Some form of connectivity or some sort of ability to communicate over the internet, or some sort of ability to communicate with a human, whether it can be a Bluetooth or it can be your RFID or it can be a NFC, whatever it may be. Basically nowadays Bluetooth has taken the revert in the form of BLE. BLE stands for Bluetooth low energy. Bluetooth low energy. After the Bluetooth version 4, basically what we say, it is a all the devices are BLE, Bluetooth low energy devices. That I have already discussed. For your review point of view, I am discussing what basically a web is. I think there should not be any doubt. As I have earlier told, we have made one analogy. We are living in the physical world. Some God, Ishwar, Allah, or supernatural power made all of us, or created the physical world. We humans created the virtual world, that is the name of cyber world, and we are accessing this world with the help of web. And for technological, that you know better than me, what are the elements of layer 3 and layer 2, what we have, LAN switch or router or SDN based network, whatever the things have, all the things will come inside the web nodes. And we are moving from VIP to VIP regarding the telecom. VoIP stands for voice over internet protocol, and EOIP stands for everything over IP or IP for everything. Both are correct. It's all about the IP. It's all about the IP. And I have shown you some data, facts and figures. Pay TV subscribers, regarding the pay TV subscribers and DTH subscribers. I have asked the question, okay, what about the DTH subscribers are increasing and pay TV subscribers are increasing? From my point of view, answer was the customization or personalization of service, easy access, and basically uncensored data at present. Uncensored data in the form of web series and so many things. We will not go in so much detail. The gist of this to discuss about these things are the we are moving towards the data driven economy. So that was the thing. Okay, whether for IoT deployment we require the 5G, a lot of misconception was there. So it is basically like that. In case of 2G, later on possibility of data transmission was occurred, then search out, and in case of 3G, innovation of IP video call was there, and in case of 4G, your internet of things have been evolved basically in the form of augmented reality, virtual reality. That means you can begin with 4G, but for proper maturation, that is the exhaustion of IoT, we require the 5G. Some applications require the ultra low latency communication or millimeter wave communication, that is in the form of we can say V2X communication, vehicle to vehicle communication. We require the infra that will be built upon the ultra low latency network. Definitely some sort of 5G will be needed in case of some technologies. And these basically these targets decided by the 2025, it is not like that, because due to the global pandemic situation of COVID-19 and all these things, it will be, you add a rough formula is there for the time being, at least 2 to 3 years you add in your target, and it will be decided later on. It is also not, it may go beyond that also. And we have discussed the technology adoption today. We have the SON, we have the SDN, we have already discussed the software defined network, the difference between the software driven network and software defined network. Then we have moved toward the artificial network, and artificial network is also in a very initial stage. And after that we move towards the robotic process. Wrongly I have taken the robotic process because it is basically a cobots. What are the cobots? Basically cobots are nothing but a, can anybody answer what is the cobot? Yesterday I have discussed in the detail. What is the cobot?
Collaborative robots. Collaborative
Collaborative
robots.
robots, sir.
Pushbuji, cobot, collaborated robots. Definitely, that means human and machine. There should be a very much collaboration between the human and machines. At present, human to human communication is the best example of collaborated communication. But in case of collaborated robots, there will be a marvelous communication between the human and machines. That is the main purpose. And I have already discussed the software driven network and software defined network. Your engine based network is basically a software driven network, and